What is up, guys? Alright, so person was staring at me. I forgot to film an intro, crappie fishing, bluegill fishing. I forgot to put out an intro, so that's my bad. I always forget to do that, but I'm gonna start doing it more this summer. But so this video pretty epic. You know, I got on some sick chunk bluegill and I caught on some big crappie. So hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe, because a lot of you guys that are watching aren't subscribed. So just make sure you guys subscribe and enjoy the video. Alright guys, first time actually having confidence at the golf course pond this year. It's looking pretty good. There's tons of jumbo gills everywhere. I don't see any small gills, but I'm hoping the bass will be out. There's turtles today, right there. There's bluegill. There also is a bunch of golfers. So I might get kicked out, I probably will. But I'm hoping to at least catch some fish today. Okay, so I did a little switch up. Still going micro for the little bluegills. Not that small, but now I'm just doing a little trout magnet. Throwing this guy on. It's probably one of my favorite panfish lures. I got a bunch of little minnows and I got a big tadpole. So I'm gonna see how this goes. I'm just gonna reach in there, I guess. Try to grab a minnow. Jeez, guys, where are they? All right, here we go. Probably the smallest one in there, but it doesn't matter. You gotta start somewhere. It's a small one, but he's big enough to catch. Shit, where'd he go? Here we go. Got a nice old gill. Alright, ready? See you later, buddy. That was sick. Hey, that's a pretty big one. Polarized glasses help so much.
Crappie.
Oh, this one's actually kind of nice. No. Oh, this is my PB fair. Oh, he has a chunk bitten out of him. You see that? Huh. That's pretty fresh too. There we go. Sweet. It's probably my biggest one here yet. See you later, bud. That looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm. It's very snaggy.
Yeah, just get it and kind of keep it up. Oh, I just had something actually. Not even joking. First, it hit the water for like a second and it ripped the back of my plastic off. All right.
Look at that.
Yeah, a little crappie.
There you go. Oh, Lonka, baby.
Yeah, it was first cast. I was just playing with him. All right, see you later, buddy. Ow, ow. Oh, whoops. Did not intend for him to smack that. Sure did feel like a fish though. Maybe it was the snakehead. I haven't seen any bubbles. It's just kind of weird. I feel like snakeheads would like do that, especially if they were on the bottom. That's a fish.
I like when you see the line change.
Yeah, I couldn't tell if that was a fish or not. None of these guys have been caught before, any of them. Oops.
Sounds relaxing.
Yeah, he probably liked that.
That was Bob.
Here's a nice one, Dad. Here's a pretty nice one.
Oh, wow. Yeah, he is.
It's a pretty one.
Light here.
Dad, there was an easy 6-pounder right here. Plug out that on GoPro. Yeah, he was an easy 6-pounder. He was so thick. No, you can see him sitting right there. You can see him. Oh, shoot. No. You can see him. He's sitting right there. Oh, he spooked off.
Oh, yeah.
You saw it when the stick fell in the water? Dang it. He was right under that stick. Where'd he go?
Where's your pliers at? Were they in my hand?